Welcome back to another episode of the Rad Skate Park check-ins across New York City. I am Vincent Basile, and I have Anthony Biondo behind the lens, like always. And if you guys don't know what we're doing, we're traveling around all of New York City, and we're getting inside every skate park. Right now, we're at the Allerton skate park here in the Bronx, New York. This is episode 32. I've never been here. It's my first time at this park. So let's go check this thing out. Come on, let's go inside. See what this place has. Welcome inside Allerton Skate Park. First feature is this fun box, little manual type ledge with a little kicker bank with a big fun box attached to it, all built together. And it's gonna slide because it's all metal. It's a little bit higher than your usual fun box, but if you got pop, it's a perfect feature. And then if you don't have pop, it's a perfect feature. Check out this bank. The slope is gradual, wider than usual. This one's perfect to me. I feel like it's a rad bank and you could definitely stack clips. Totally. You guys hear that music? It's early in the morning. I'm not really trying to dance and drink margaritas right now. But what we're doing is showing you this flat bar, perfect for clicking in. Probably a foot high. I should try to skate it more like a fun box than like a rail so I get my rail trips up. 3 foot high quarter pipe. What are you guys busting out on this quarter pipe? Guys, it's a small park. I don't know if I mentioned that, but it's a super small park. This is pretty much the main part. You know, this is where it's all going down. The main attraction. This is where, when you say Allerton, they're like, man, we're getting it right here. I don't know if they say that. I've never came here, so I know in my head they're gonna be like, yo, we're coming to Allerton and we light this place up. They have a fly box, a gap with a rail built right into it, and they have a hubba built into it right there. And then this is hittable too. And then this side, you could grind this side, go up it, and this side of the hubba. So you have that side and this side, and yeah, there it is. Forgive me guys, it's early, so I'm like still in a daze. But that's the park. Yeah, that's the park, Ant. You know, you said it. Still waking up. Let's get some clips.
got it. You got it.
Thank you for the motivation.
No problem. I was looking at you, I could see you holding yourself back. I know you had a little more in there. Sometimes you gotta go further than like just overdo it sometimes just to see where your limit is.
In other words, he said I was slacking. What's your name? I'm Vinny.
My name is Malik.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I gotta
nice to meet you too.
Anthony. We're gonna give you the ground report, minus the dog shit that people come and walk their dogs in here and left down all over the park. The ground's good, but don't bring your dog to the skate park for it to take a shit. Clean it up. Like I had like dodge dog shit here. I like the park. The park is great. The ground's good for the most part. I give it a thumbs up, minus dog shit. Dog shit brought it down a little bit. Looks like they take care of this park. You know, it's got a few features, nothing crazy. Not the best skate park. That's the ground report, guys. We got clips. Are you recording? Nobody cares what I did here. No, what I did here was show you the park. I grabbed some clips. I got sweaty. My hat's nasty. That always happens. We showed you the park. I hope you liked the park. I had fun. I hope you liked it. Guys, like I say this all the time, if you found this video helpful, if you like it, hit the like button. Please subscribe to our content. Check out all of our videos. Check out our interactive skate map that we have on our website at www.radboardsport.co. You can find us on Facebook and also on Instagram at radboardsportco. I'm tired, I'm beat. Hopefully I produced enough. Thank you to Anthony Biondo, always doing his thing behind the lens. Like I said, I don't know what I said. Shout out to Malik, a local. He comes here and he works out. Malik is really cool.
Show it all through 9 minutes, or like maybe the last 30 seconds or the last 45 seconds. You chop the fails in. Show him doing all the icy stuff. Make him look good first, and then show him what it really takes.
More effort. Oh my god, again, bro. Oh lordy. Ooh, let's go. Come on. You like 95? Shout out to the Thumb Squad. Support your friends that support you. You know, I love those guys. I don't only wear rad gear. Shout out to the homies. I'm always supporting other people. That's how it works. And we're out of here, guys. Catch us on the next park. You know what I'm saying? Because we're going to a park near you. Ride all day.
So I'm not new to this, I'm true to this.